Are you feeling drained and not quite yourself? Well, this ForestLeaf NAD product may be the boost you need. Hi, I'm Diana, and I was sent this product by ForestLeaf to definitely check it out. Let's talk about the features. As you get older like I am, you're definitely looking for products to help with anti-aging, cellular regeneration, metabolism, all those sorts of things. And NAD right now is all the rage. Each serving contains 1,200 milligrams of pure NAD, and that's right now recognized as one of the most restorative anti-aging solutions on the market right now. See the plus there? That does not require conversion in the body, so this is going to deliver direct support. And it has the added benefits of D-Ribose, resveratrol, and pomegranate. This is manufactured and bottled here in the US at a GMP approved facility. It's third-party tested for absorption and UL certified for quality. So if you're looking for a good quality NAD product that's going to get right into your body and start doing things, definitely check this one out by ForestLeaf.